Hello everyone, welcome to Math Jumpstart. In this session, we'll be going to discuss the questions and solutions of January 22 Shift 1 Maths. So the first question is, a 5-letter word is to be made using 5 distinct alphabets such that middle alphabet is M and letters should be increasing in increasing order. So the word is 5 letters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the middle letter should be M given in question. Now, how many possible ways can we arrange these two letters? That is 12C2 and this one 13C2. Now, the solution will be 12C2 into 13C2, which is 66 into 78. After we solve 66 into 78, we get 5148. So the solution for this is 5148. 5148. Now let us move on to the next question. Next question is, summation r is equal to 0 to n tr is given. Find 1 by tr. So now we need to solve this and find the value of tr. Here r is equal to 0 and here r is equal to 1. So we can solve this by using this formula. Sn minus 1 is equal to tn. By using this, we can get the answer for tr. Then we'll solve for 1 by tr. So now, given in question, 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1, 2n plus 3, 2n plus 5 by 64 minus 2n minus 3, 2n minus 1, 2n plus 1 into 2n minus 1. Now, after solving this, we get tn is equal to 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1, 2n plus 3 by 8. Here we are here this is Sn, and this is Sn minus 1. So we are subtracting both and we get tn, value of tn, which is this one. Next now we need to find 1 by tn, which is equal to 8 by 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1, 2n plus 3. Take 2 common, 1 by 2n plus 1 into 2n minus 1 minus 1 by 2n plus 1 into 2n plus 3. Now summation 1 by tn, which is equal to 2 of 1 by, put the values of n, we get 1 into 3 minus 1 by 3 into 5 plus 1 by 3 into 5 minus 1 by 5 into 7, and so on. Now here we can cancel these two terms. Now the solution for this is 4n square plus 8n plus 3. Now this is the solution. The next question is, find the product of all real values of x in this equation. E power 5 ln x whole square plus 3 is equal to x power 8. So here there is e and here 8 is in the power. So we can use log on both sides. We get 5 ln x whole square plus 3 is equal to 8 ln x, because if we apply log here, 8 comes before. Now put ln x is equal to t, because this equation is in terms of ln x. So if we replace ln x with t, we get a quadratic equation which is 5t square minus 8t plus 3 is equal to 0. On solving this equation, we get t minus 1 into 5t minus 3 is equal to 0. So the solutions of this equation is t is equal to 3 by 5 and t is equal to 1. Now, we know that ln x1 is equal to 3 by 5 because t is ln x. So replace t with ln x, and ln x2 is equal to 1, this one. So we get, if we add both equations, we get ln x1 plus ln x2 is equal to 8 by 5. And if we add two ln logarithms, then x1 and x2 will be multiplied. Ln x1 x2 is equal to 8 by 5. x1 x2 is equal to e to the power 8 by 5. Find the product of all real values. So the product of x1 and x2 is e power 8 by 5. So this is your final solution. The next question we have is integration. So given that f of x is a function of trigonometric function, and I1 is equal to f of x dx and I2 is x f of x dx. Here x is multiplied to f of x. So in question it is given that find 7i1 plus 12i2. So let's see the solution. In f of x, if we take 1 plus tan square x common, we get f of x is equal to 7 tan power 6x minus 3 tan square x into 1 plus tan square x. Now find I1, which is integration of f of x dx. Integration of 7 tan power 6x minus 3t square x. Now I am replacing tan with tt, which is equal to I1 is equal to t power 7 minus t cube plus c. Tan x is equal to t. By replacing tan x is equal to t, we get this equation. Now if tan x is equal to t, then differentiate on both sides. Tan x differentiation is sec square x dx is equal to dt. So here tan x and 3 tan square x, integration I1 will be t power 7 minus t cube plus c. Now let us find I2. I2, which is equal to x into tan x into f of x, which is x tan power 7x minus tan cube x. Now here minus integration of tan power 7x minus tan cube x dx. Now this is t, not tan, because we have replaced tan with t, tan x with t. So we get I2 is equal to x tan power 7x minus tan cube x from 0 to pi by 4. So this value will be 0 between 0 to pi by 4 minus integration. Now already we have taken one variable as t. Now we will take tan x as z. We get z power 5 minus z cube dz, which is z power 6 by 6 minus z power 4 by 4. After keeping limits 0 to 1, we get 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 12. So the solution for this question is 1 by 12. The next question is of probability. In this question, they have given that a bag contains 6 black balls and 4 white balls. 2 balls are drawn without replacement. find the probability that block both are black. So we need to find that both blocks are black. This question is easy question. So we have given 6 black balls. So and we need to select 2 balls. So 6C2. Now this is favorable outcomes, and total outcomes is 10C2. 10 because 6 plus 4, 6 black and 4 white. So we get 10. 10C2. 10C2 is total. So the probability is favorable outcomes by total outcomes, 10C2. If we solve this, 66C2 is 15 and 10C2 is 45. The answer is 1 by 3. So the solution for this question is 1 by 3. The next question is summation r is equal to 0 to 5. Level C 2r minus 1 by 2r plus 2. Now let us assume this as tr, which is equal to 11 factorial by 2r plus 1 factorial. We are just expanding this one. 11c 2r minus 1. 11 factorial by 2r plus 1 factorial into denominator part 10 minus 2r factorial into 2r plus 2. This is 2r plus 2 is denominator. 11c 2r minus 1 expansion is this particular. Now, if we expand this expression, we get 11 factorial into 12 by 2r plus 2 factorial into 10 minus 2r factorial. This is equal to 1 by 12, 12c2 plus 12c6 plus 12c8 plus 12c10 plus 12c12. This is in particular order: 12c2, 12c6, 12c8, 12c10, 12c12. And here there is a missing term, 12c4. So we are adding that plus 12c4. Now, if we expand each and every value, 12, 1 by 12 into 2048 minus 1, which is equal to 2047 by 12. So this is your final answer. This question is easy and but lengthy. In exam, you should leave this question because it takes so much time consuming. Now, let us see the next question. In this question, given that set A is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3, then find number of equivalence relation on set A. What does equivalence relation means? It means that non-empty relation on set A. Non-empty relation. Non-empty relation. Here, if you make a matrix 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Or else we can tell that in a set there should be repeating of digits. For example, 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1, or 2 comma 2, or 3 comma 3. So we have already got 3 options. Now we can solve this by using a matrix. We have 1 comma 1, we have 2 comma 2, and we have 3 comma 3. Now if we choose 1 comma 2 comma 3, 1 comma 2 comma 3, here no digit is repeating, so this is not the set. Now we can take 1 comma 1 comma 2. Yes, one is repeating. And also 2 comma 2 comma 3. Yes, we can also take this one. So we get total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. Option B is the correct answer. Non-equivalence relation on set A 1, 2, 3 is 5. Now let us move on to the next question. Next question. Next question is sequence and series. Given that A1, A2, A3 are in GB, such that A1 into A5 is equal to 25 and A2 plus A4 is 29. Find A6. So in question given that A1, A2, A3 are in GB. Now we know that A2 by A1 is equal to A3 by A2 GP because of geometric progression, which means A2 square is equal to A1 A3, or we can say that it is common ratio R. So A2 is equal to R into A1. Now put in this one. R square A1 square is equal to A1 into A cube. A1 A1 cancel. So A3 is equal to R square A1. An is equal to Rn minus 1 A. This is general term A1. So now by using this we know that A1 into A5 is equal to 28 given. Now put the value of A1 as A and A5 as A into R power 4, which is equal to 28. A square R power 4 is equal to 28. Now we'll leave the equation here and solve another equation, which is A into R plus R cube is equal to 29. This one. A2 is A into R and A4 is A into R cube. Now we'll solve this equation. From here we need to find R value. 1 plus R square whole square is by R square is equal to 841 by 28. How did we get this? We get this using this equation. Put the value of A here. From here we get R equation. After solving this equation we get value of R square, which is equal to 28. Now put this value of R square in this equation. Basically we used these two equations. To solve two variables, and we concluded in one variable, resulting the value of one variable, that is R square is equal to 28. Now put this value of R in this equation, we get A, which is equal to 1 by root 28. Now what is A6? Now what is A6? Which is equal to A into R power 5. Now we have value of A, we have value of R. Now let us put the value of A and R. A is 1 by root 28 and R square is 228. R square is 28. So 28 into 28 into root 28, which is R power 5. After cancelling the out, we get 28 ka square. This is the answer for this particular question. The next question is determinant question, matrices, determinant and matrices. So in this question it is given that if det A is equal to minus 2, okay, where A is matrix of order 3 cross 3, A is of order 3 cross 3. Next, given that det of adjoint of 3A is 2A power 3B, then the find value of A and B. This question is easy, but we need to solve more because we have two adjoints, adjoint of adjoint and multiplication of matrix, which is 3A, and we don't even know the matrix A. So we need not to follow the regular method, we need to think in other method. Given that det A is equal to minus 2, so det A is equal to minus 2, and det of adjoint 3A is 2A power 3B, det of minus adjoint of adjoint 3A, which is equal to 2A 3B. We know that det of adjoint A is A power n minus 1 into k. if this is k, det of k into a, det of k into a is a power n minus 1 power k. Now this is equal to minus 3a power 4. We need to find the determinant of 3a power 4, because in question it is given 3a, not just a. So we replaced a with 3a. Now we know that if coefficient is multiplied to matrix and whole determinant power 4, then 3 power 12 into a power 4. After solving we get this one, which is equal to, what is the value of det A, which is minus 2 given in question, minus 3 power 12 into 2 power 4, minus 3 power 12 into 2 power 4. So now we got the solution, but in question they are asked they asked us to find 2a and 3b, value of a and b. So on comparing we get the value of a as 4, which is power of 2, and b is power of 3, which is 12. Therefore the values of a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 12. This is the solution for this equation. That is it for today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.